Oh my. I don't know if I bought the right bars for this bike. This is my 2023 Honda Monkey. She's got 1,400 kilometers on her. And we want to kind of turn her into a cafe racer. So we're going to be mostly doing minimalistic stuff. I was actually hesitant to do any kind of mods to this thing, but I've always wanted to own a cafe racer. And I thought a mini moto might be a cool idea for a cafe racer. I've seen a couple online, and there's some that I really like, so because I was so quick to start this project, I ended up looking up all the forums and found a couple of bars. Everyone said the Composimo, I think. I thought they were too expensive. I saw a couple of different ideas that people had and immediately bought it because I'm a fucking idiot. So these are the bars that I decided to purchase, and they were $30, so it didn't really run me a whole lot of money. The welds actually aren't too bad for $30 Canadian. So it's just, I don't know, the angle is strange. You'd think it would be like that, right? But because they're Clubman style, which I don't know much about, Clubman styles are actually supposed to be like that. So the bar would be hanging down, which is really strange and might look really weird, but we'll try it out. It was $30. The only thing I'm wasting is time. Also have a set of small mirrors to kind of replace these big bug antenna mirrors. I had these kind of laying around off my old bike, but I don't know if this will work. They might be too small, too close in. We might have to end up going with the bar end mirrors, so we'll see. Also, this isn't going to be a full-out tutorial. I'm not much of a teacher. I ride motorcycles and speak broken English. There's a lot more in-depth videos on how to take these bars off, but I'll show you some of the steps that I took to make this happen. I hope this doesn't look like shit. Oh, this feels kind of wrong to do. I heard these bar ends are a nightmare to get at. I just don't want to strip the bolt. Actually, those are coming out all right. All the videos that I've been seeing saying everyone was having trouble with these, they must have changed them in 2023, but yeah, no, that didn't strip at all. I guess I should be getting it before and after. So this is where it was at before. So this is where I gotta be careful here because the seat isn't bolted down. But this is where the ride height is before. Something as soon as I started moving those grips around. I do not have a compressor. Well, I have a compressor, I just don't have the end for it to run some air through there. Could use zip ties, but I wouldn't doubt those are glued down. So I guess I'm just gonna have to rip and tear. So I managed to get it off with just a bit of glass cleaner just to loosen that glue up. And yeah, no problem. Be some kind of set screw for these, but I didn't actually see where it was, so I just loosened it just enough that we'll be able to slide it off. Cheater bar time. Ooh, didn't like that. don't like that at all. Oh, that seems like it's pulling it way too far, but we got her. I think I remember that we do not want this to be sitting upside down at all. So we're gonna try putting that like that. And hopefully that'll be all right. And the other side will just pop right off there. Kind of. There we go. Here is the reference for the bars. Obviously these ones are going the other way around, but we'll see. What the fuck is that? What is that? I don't know. I know they're supposed to be Clubman style, but it just looks weird. The monkey. Like, if we sit on the bike, it looks weird from this angle. It's really sloped down. Like, much more than I want it to be. This is fucking ugly. Like, I know there are some people who can rock the cafe race. It's not meant for this bike. No way. However, it wouldn't look too bad this way. I know people are gonna hate on me for it, but you know, that doesn't look too bad there. That's passable. Maybe with a little bit of tuning. All right, yeah. From this angle right here, I'm liking that. We're gonna keep that, even though it's backwards. Took me forever to figure out, like, this wasn't closing, like sealing properly. And I thought, what the fuck is going on? Because the bars are the same size, and I checked the diameter. It's this tiny little piece right here that's hitting the bars and causing the issue. It's supposed to keep the bars from moving around, because there's a notch on the other handlebars. Upon further inspection, that metal piece, that little ridge, is necessary because it keeps the whole bar from spinning on here. So that means I gotta drill a little hole, just like the other bar that I have here. Because right here, it's got a little set screw hole. So that's just another step. All right, we got her situated. I did have to drill a hole to make sure that stub, that set screw, it's not even really a screw, fits in there fine, and the throttle is seated properly. We'll have to figure out something better with these. I worry about that line being pinched a bit, but it's not too bad. Clutch cable sitting just fine, so no, not bad. So that's it for this video today. We have the seat off because we'll be doing the fender eliminator kit eventually. We just had the LED lights, or turn signal lights, come in. So, big difference. So that will be another video. So, like, subscribe, stay tuned for more monkey videos.